So, hello guys. In this new series, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can use the Go language to make your own applications and programs. And well, yeah, let's get started. In this episode, I will show you what the basic Go uh, program looks like, and I will teach you how to make the classic Hello World program in Go. So let's get started. To start off, you may notice that I am on Ubuntu, and this is a Linux distribution. Well, Linux distribution. I can't pronounce that word. It's horrible. But anyways, well, you may notice it, and that has a reason. Programming in Go is way easier on Linux. So, well, just as a hint, go use Linux. Well, with that said, let's get started. So, open up your favorite text editor. On Linux, it's Atom, and on Windows, it's Sublime Text. But yeah, you can choose your own. But I will use Atom for this. So let's start with creating a new file and call it hello world.go. You may notice the file extension of a Go program is .go. So, well, that's basically very straightforward. So let's create it. And, well, you may know some other language like Python or so. And, well, Python doesn't require you to have a, well, kind of like structure in your program. And, well, Go does. So, while Python lets you choose your own structure of your programs, Go has a very specific structure, and it looks like this. Every program starts with the line package main, and well, that's it. Then the import statements come. Imports in Go are fairly simple, but there are two ways to do it. You can just write import package, in this case fmt, but you can also do import parentheses and then your packages. Well, the plus side of this is that you can have multiple packages imported in here. So let's say this, and otherwise if you do it with one line thing, you have to do it line by line. So this is easier if you have multiple packages to import, but for this example we just need to import fmt. But well, I practically always use this import statement. So the next thing is the function main. Function main. Oh yeah, that's another thing in Go. Well, I don't know if you know some languages like C or Java or C++, and that kind of lets you feel free to choose where you put your curly braces, but in Go you can only place it on the same line as your, for example, function declaration or if statement or so. And well, in C it can just look like this, but well, in Go requires you to do this. So this is a structure of a basic Go program. You have your package, you have your imports, and then you have your functions with main as the main structure of your program. well, it's fairly simple, I think. So to make the Hello World program, you just have to type fmt. Remember, package fmt, it's already written here. But fmt is the package format, and it will let you print and concat strings and all stuff to print things. Well, it's basically the std library in C. So what we then have to do is we need to do print line, print ln. Line is the shortened version of line, so it's very straightforward. But you notice I have used a capital P. This has a reason. In Go, if you want to export functions or variables, so it can be accessed by other files or other classes in Go, you need to do it with a capital. Otherwise, it will be private, as it is in Java or in Python. So, well, you just have to remember that, and all will go it will be fine. So it requires one argument, our string, and of course it is the famous string hello world. We don't have to use any parentheses of semicolons. Well, this is our hello world program, and to run this we need to open the terminal, and you can do it by pressing Ctrl Alt and T, or just going to dash and type terminal. There it is. So what you don't have to do is you need to navigate to this directory, and I don't know where it is, so here it's in my file manager. Copy. So what we then can do is just cd into this. Oops. Just like this. So yes, there it is. Hello world.go. So to run this, I assume that you have already installed Go. But if you haven't, well, there are pretty good tutorials on the internet, so feel free to search. But, well, for this tutorial, I assume you already have it installed. So, well, to run it, you can type go, run, and then the name of your program. And there it is. But this isn't everything, because Go is a compiled language. And as you notice, if I show all files in this directory, there aren't any build files or so. So this is kind of like how you execute a Python program. But to compile a Go program, you need to type go build and then the file name after it. So this, and then you can see there is an executable hello world in this directory. So if we execute it by typing / and then file name in front of it, you will see hello world. So this is how you execute a Go program. Well, this was the first tutorial in my Go language series, and I hope you enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button, and well, if you feel like you want to see more of these tutorials in Go language, well, subscribe and I will upload more videos. So anyways, guys, bye.